the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this full lace braided wig. This is how it looks like on me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to thin the net. The method I'm going to be using is I'm using my foundation and a brush to brush the full lace. I'm doing it in such a way that it's going to look tinted, but yeah, it's not tinted. I'm going to cut out the excess net, which looks like this now. I'm putting it on my hair, and yeah, it blends effortlessly on my scalp. I'm not actually putting any wig cap on, and this is how it looks like. It looks tinted already. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my got2b spray gel to spray on my hair. Like I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do a glueless installation of braided wig using got2b spray gel. Not only that, I really want to know if this can last for a very long time on my hair. The next step is to use my hand dryer to dry the gel which I've sprayed on my hair to make the process quicker and faster. So keep watching to follow up on how I do this quick glueless installation. The major thing I used for this installation was a spray gel and elastic band. I used the elastic band to secure the glue, and this is how it looks like. I think it looks so tight. Now all I'm going to do is to know whether I can be able to carry this for a very long time. So follow me up and see if this actually works. This is how it looks like for now. So let's go there.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun, that's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted.
Something I want to try. I want to know whether I can wear this on sleep, then wake up and know if it's still like this. Like I've not tried, sleeping with this. I'm back from a journey, and yeah, let me see whether I can be able to sleep with this for the night, then wake up the following day and try and see how it looks like. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know when you saw this. So it's a beautiful day here. So I slept with this. I actually slept with this for the first time, and I wanna show you guys. This is it. even though I was tempted to remove, but yeah, it's still tight except for some parts here that is removing, the same with this one, but for the front part, yeah, it's still intact. So if you have tried this out, then tell me in the comment section how it was. So this is my, and yeah, it's okay, it's worth trying. Yeah.
Denying it, 'cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you.
So keeping up with the installation and the experiment, I found out that after a day, the installation wasn't that strong enough. It was more like I'm just wearing a braided wig without any installation. Anyways guys, I'm still flexing it like that. I'm still, enjoying how it looks on me. So guys, we had fun, and just had fun with my lovely people, my friends, my family, and I enjoyed how this week looked. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be part of this family. Okay, I didn't install it. Yeah, I hope you had fun with me. So see you in my next video. Just hit the subscription button and be part of this family. Bye.